For decades, the multi-level marketing industry has moved like a powerful old steam train, slow to start, heavy to build, but capable of massive momentum. Yet today, a new model is emerging, one that doesn't rely on hotel meetings, recruiting cycles, or physical product distribution. Instead, it runs on automation, digital infrastructure, and financial technology. And the speed difference? It's the difference between a steam locomotive and a high-speed bullet train. Today, we're breaking it down. Today, we're breaking down the real reason why ARBcore is building at lightning speed compared to traditional MLM companies, and why this shift could reshape the entire industry. To understand what's happening, we first need to understand how traditional MLM companies actually grow. The classic model has barely changed in 50 years. Step 1, create a product. Step 2, design a plan. Step 3, recruit distributors. Step 4, train leaders. Then step 5, expand country by country. This system built massive companies. Some of the biggest network marketing companies in the world took 10 to 20 years to reach global scale. Why? Because growth relied on human distribution networks. People had to attend meetings, leaders had to train teams, markets had to open legally one at a time. It worked, but it was slow. Think of it like a locomotive. Powerful, reliable, but it takes a long time to build the track and get the engine moving. Powerful, but slow. Now compare that to what we're seeing with ARBcore. ARBcore isn't built on a distribution-first model. It's built on a technology-first model. That's a completely different architecture. Digital financial systems first. The core system revolves around something called arbitrage. Arbitrage simply means exploiting price differences. If one exchange lists an asset cheaper, a system can buy low and sell high. That spread creates profit. But here's the key. Arbitrage isn't about prediction. It's about speed. And speed is where tech changes everything. Traditional MLM companies generate revenue through human activity. People sell, people recruit. ARBcore is different. Automation. Instead of relying purely on human action, the system uses automated trading infrastructure. It can run continuously, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, scanning markets, detecting spreads, executing trades, and rebalancing capital. This creates something traditional models never had, an always-on financial engine, scaling potential. But the speed difference doesn't stop with automation. It also comes from digital distribution, physical events versus internet. Traditional expansion relied on physical events, hotel meetings, conference calls. ARBcore operates in a digital ecosystem. Distribution now happens through social media, influencers, and Telegram, AI-powered content systems, and online education. That means expansion no longer happens at geographic speed. It happens at internet speed, days, not years, fast expansion. This shift creates something very powerful, a network effect growth curve. Traditional MLM typically grows in slow stages. Steady expansion, eventually reaching maturity after many years. Technology platforms grow differently. They scale exponentially. They experience exponential adoption once a threshold is reached. Streaming platforms, fintech apps, social networks, marketplaces. When infrastructure is digital, scaling becomes dramatically faster. Another difference, capital versus product movement, friction versus speed. Traditional MLM companies revolve around product movement. Physical products must be manufactured, stored, and shipped across countries. Distributed through retail networks. ARBcore revolves around capital movement, and capital moves far faster than goods, instant. Instead of managing supply chains, the focus shifts to trading infrastructure, liquidity management, and algorithm performance, secure systems. Algorithm performance and financial security systems. This reduces the friction that slows traditional companies down. This is why the train analogy works so well. Traditional MLM companies are like a steam locomotive, strong, proven, successful, slow to start, but slow to accelerate. ARBcore is more like a high-speed bullet train, designed for velocity, powered by digital systems, built for the future, and capable of scaling across global networks at extraordinary speed. Both systems move forward, but one moves far faster than the other. Velocity is opportunity. So the real question becomes this: are we witnessing the evolution of network marketing, from product distribution companies to digital financial ecosystems? Because if that shift continues, the companies that build technology infrastructure first may end up moving faster than anyone expected. Tech first is the future. And in a world where speed determines opportunity, that difference could be enormous. The infrastructure we build now defines our tomorrow. If you want to stay ahead of where digital finance, automation, and the future of network economies are heading, make sure you subscribe, because the next wave of innovation is already moving. And just like the bullet train, it's moving fast. Innovation waits for no one. Stay ahead. To get more information with Arbitrage and ARBcore, use the same link and business I use. Get the link in the description. See you there. Visit the link in the description to get started with ARBcore today. Experience the power of high-speed digital arbitrage.